Well, howdy there, folks. Let me spin you a tale about something mighty special happening out yonder in Frontierland. Come the 21st of June, 2025, the legendary Big Thunder Mountain is riding back into town, fresh from a whole mess of renovations. Now, it wasn't just any old tune-up. Nope. This here was a full-blown effort led by the fine folks at Walt Disney Imagineering Paris, along with the design and delivery crew, the maintenance teams, and them skilled hands at the central workshops. All of them working together to bring the wildest ride in the West back to its prime. For months, a posse of experts, the best of the best, rolled up their sleeves and gave Big Thunder Mountain the care it rightly deserved. Their goal? Keeping the spirit of the attraction alive, honoring the original vision, and protecting the story that's tighter than a rattlesnake's coil with the heart of Frontierland. They got right down into the bones of it. Them tunnels and rails got a full overhaul, some of them even rebuilt from scratch. And get this, they cleaned the whole dang mountain using drones, first time ever for the Imagineering Paris folks. High-tech cowboy work, if you ask me. They didn't stop there, neither. Water, lights, sounds, all tuned up or restored to their old glory. Even them scenic pieces got their moment in the sun. Mill Camp Tower, for example, was taken apart, spruced up, and set back in place good as new. Hundreds of props, the kind you'd see in the queue or riding through, were cleaned, repainted, and given that worn, dusty patina to keep the look authentic. Some of the bigger pieces, like the Lavinia steam engine, got fixed up right there on the spot. Now, let's not forget the critters, them animal figures like the mules, bats, and possums. They all got cleaned up and touched with fresh paint, and that old goat, he's strutting around with a brand new coat. This here wasn't just maintenance, it was a labor of love. And it took a whole ranch worth of teamwork. The Imagineers, the builders, the fixers, they gave their all to bring Big Thunder Mountain back to life. So come on down, saddle up, and get ready for a ride through thunder and gold, stories and steam. Big Thunder's back, and it's wilder than ever. Well, partner, that's the end of the trail. But Big Thunder's just getting started, so dust off your boots, saddle up, and ride on out to Frontierland. 'Cause the wildest ride in the West is waiting for you, loud, proud, and back in action. See you on the mountain, cowpoke.